Now, gold has been gaining all year on central banks accumulating physical stores. We've had real yields starting to ease now with expectations of Fed interest rate cuts rising. We've had ongoing global tensions resulting in geopolitical acceleration into gold on risk pivots. So gold just keeps finding reasons to be bought, and the seasonals at the end of November into the beginning of December do favour a little bit more gold upside. So is this the potential for another pop higher in gold? Now, technically, looking at gold, we're seeing some mixed signals. You can see on the weekly chart, we had this inside bar pattern from this obviously strongly trending higher, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, above the 100, 200 exponential moving average, holding that major trend line. But you see here, there was an inside bar, but failure to break and close underneath that level. Then another inside bar, but a failure to break and close above that level. So price is really sort of quite indecisive and trying to begin to form a range here up at that 4,300 and that sort of 3,900, 4,000 region. It's sort of a fairly large potential range that's developing. Obviously, a breakout to either side will be significant. So this is definitely worth looking at. If we do see any price action signals from this big support level at 4,000, 3,900, wouldn't be unreasonable to see if there's potential for a little swing trade on the back of this strong seasonal pattern. Remember, there are risks, and of course, the moves in gold is tied to the US dollar, the expectations of US interest rates, geopolitical risk, amongst other factors. However, this is a nice seasonal pop that's worth drawing your attention to as we come into the end of November. Remember, don't just trade it, season exit.